What is the difference between GitFlow and GitHub flow? Let me explain. The first flow is GitFlow. In GitFlow, we have two long-lived branches. One is main branch or master branch. Another one is develop branch. Here long-lived branches means we never going to delete these two branches. Here production code will be stored in main branch and develop branch is the copy of this main branch. Then the branches where developers actually write the code. We call it as feature branches. There can be multiple feature branches. For example, feature branch 1, feature branch 2. Like this we can have multiple branches. So multiple app features can be developed on multiple feature branches. Now consider feature 1 is ready. Also feature 2 also ready. And we are planning these two app features in our next release. So when the feature development is done, we are going to merge that changes into develop branch. And once the changes are merged to develop branch, we are going to delete these two feature branches. That's why feature branches are short-lived branches. Now we are ready for the next release. For next release, we are going to create one more branch called as release branch. This branch can be named release, for example 1.1. Now we merge the changes from develop branch to release branch. Now testers or QA people will test the code from release branch. And if there are any bugs or issues, before merging to main branch, we have to resolve that issues. So bug fix will happen in this particular release branch. Remember, only bug fix will happen here, no feature development. So once the bug is fixed, we are going to merge the changes to main branch. Also, we are going to merge this bug fix changes back to develop branch because develop branch is also long-lived branch. Now 1.1 is released and this is the live application version. We can create a tag as 1.1 here. Also, changes in release branches is merged to both main and develop branch. So this release branch is not required now. So we are going to delete this branch. So release branch is also short-lived branch. Now if there are any bugs in production code, means in main branch, we have to fix that bug urgently, right? Because it is in the live version. For that we are going to create a branch called as hotfix branch. So we fix that bug in hotfix branch, then we are going to merge the changes back to main branch as well as develop branch. And we can tag that hotfix release as 1.1.1. And once the changes are merged, we are going to delete this hotfix branch also. So hotfix branch is also short-lived branch. That's it, this is GitFlow. So where we are going to use GitFlow? Mainly when your development cycle is revolves around releases, then we are going to use GitFlow. Also before production release, if you are rely on the QA to manually test your code, then you can use GitFlow. Advantage of GitFlow is you can work on multiple releases in parallel. Disadvantage is too many branches. Also this strategy is not suitable for CD, continuous deployment. For continuous deployment, you can use GitHub flow. In GitHub flow, you have only one long-lived branch. We call it as main branch or master branch. Main branch always has the production ready code. Then for the new features, developers create the feature branches directly from the main branch. So once the feature development is ready in feature branch, developers will create a pull request or merge request to merge the changes to main branch. Here in this pull request, reviewer will review their code. Once everything is fine, they can merge the changes to main branch. Once the code is merged to main branch, this will be immediately deployed to the production. There is no concept of release branches in GitHub flow. So every feature will have its own release. So in GitHub flow, there can be multiple merges to the main branch in a day. You can consider multiple releases in a day. So GitHub flow is suitable for continuous deployment. So advantage of GitHub flow is there will be only two branches. So branch management as process is very simple. We need solid automated testing here. As we merging the changes to main branch directly, automated testing is must here. That's it. This is GitHub flow. That's the simplest explanation. I will meet you in next video.